video, I spoke about factors and multiples. If this is your first time watching my video, consider following my page and subscribing to my YouTube channel to be notified whenever I upload a new content. So let's talk about finite and infinite numbers. Finite and infinite numbers. Finite numbers are numbers that have a specific value and are countable. Think of the number of your fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You say it has a definite end. So you can say finite means that the number has an end. That is, it doesn't go on forever. For example, let's say we have example 1. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples. You can count them and then stop at 5. Now that we understand finite numbers have a clear end, like counting fingers or apples, let's imagine something even bigger. Numbers that never stop. This brings us to infinite numbers. Infinite numbers continue indefinitely without reaching a final value, meaning it will go on and on forever, just like trying to count all the stars in the sky. While finite numbers are limited, infinite numbers are endless. The concept of infinity is usually represented by the symbol of infinity is written as this. Let's say, for example, we have example 2. Pi, for instance, is equals to 3.1428 and so on to infinity. Let's say we have another example, example 3. Natural numbers. You say we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on to infinity. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye.